While speaking to newspersons, the Inspector General of the BSF Meghalaya stated that the BSF are the defenders of the borders of the country, and though challenges are many, yet the force has been working tirelessly to fight against intruders into Indian territory. He also made mention of the various achievements of the Border Security Force in relation to curbing the illegal entry of goods as well as of smugglers from across the border, with special reference to those from Bangladesh.
And we also do patrolling along the border with BGB also, so that the crimes are controlled jointly by both the forces at the borders. BSF also remain prepared to maintain law and order duties in the interior areas. Apart from election duties in the state of Bihar, our 4 companies were also deployed in Meghalaya. Still, our 3 companies are deployed to help the civil administration for the normal law and order duties, so that a peaceful environment exists throughout the country. Now, during this year, we also have the same important targets. First of all, our prime duty is to control the crimes at the border. At one side, we are helping the border population, the civil population in their day-to-day activities, also giving them the secure environment. At the same time, we are apprehending the smugglers, the criminals who are active in the border areas, so that border crimes are controlled. And this will continue during this year also. Apart from controlling the border crimes, we are also helping the civil administration by providing our troops to maintain law and order duties and any other duties which our troops are required. We will continue to have good relations with the counterpart, that is the BGB. We have periodical meetings with them, and we will continue to have meetings with them, so that the borders are peaceful. The peaceful borders are very important for the development of the country, and our agenda is that we keep the borders peaceful and crime-free. Another project is of Government of India, and BSF is also helping the civil population and particularly the people living in the border area. That is skill development program for the border population. With the help of the agencies which provide training for skill development, we find out the people who need the training, and they are given the living expenses and given the training, so that they can get some good jobs. So all activities will continue during this year also. So thank you very much. Thanks.
Now you can ask question.